Making sense of come. Phrasal verbs. Unlocking the power of English language. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of phrasal verbs, focusing specifically on those with the verb come. Phrasal verbs can be tricky, especially when a single verb is associated with multiple meanings. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of come, phrasal verbs, and how to use them correctly. So, let's get started. Come. Phrasal verbs are combinations of the verb come and one or more particles, either prepositions or adverbs. The meaning of these phrasal verbs is often different from the individual words. This might sound challenging, but the more you practice, the easier they become. For example, consider the phrasal verb come across. It can mean finding something by chance or making a particular impression. I came across an old photo while cleaning my room. He comes across as a very kind person. Now, let's explore some of the most common come phrasal verbs, along with their meanings and examples. 1. Come up, to occur or happen unexpectedly. 2. An urgent issue has come up at work, and I need to leave early. 3. Come down with, to start to suffer from a minor illness. 4. I think I'm coming down with the flu. 5. Come around, to change one's opinion or stance. 6. She didn't like the idea at first, but she finally came around. 7. Come along, to accompany or join someone, or to make progress. 8. You're welcome to come along to the party. 9. The project is coming along nicely. Now that we've learned some common come phrasal verbs, it's time for some practice. Try to create your own sentences using these phrasal verbs. Remember, the key to mastering phrasal verbs is consistent practice and use in daily conversation. That's all for today's lesson on come phrasal verbs. It's an important part of the English language, and although it might seem a bit challenging, you're definitely up for the task. Keep practicing, and soon you'll come across these phrasal verbs naturally in your daily life. Thanks for joining, and remember, learning is a journey, and you're doing great. Until next time.